Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to install the AToTo dash camera that interfaces with the ATOTO A6 stereo system that they sent me quite some time ago. And I'm going to be pretty curious to see how this camera is going to work compared to the Vava dash cam. Once this is installed, it's just a USB and a camera. Will this record to the unit, and can I transfer the files from the unit to my phone? That's something I'm gonna have to figure out. Right, the F-150 stereo comes out pretty easy. Get something behind there, pry that interface. So I guess the question is, on the back of the stereo, where does it plug in? So I just plug it into this one here. It says USB 1 and see what happens. Plugged it in, let's power it up, see what happens. There it is. Picture quality is actually pretty decent. So it looks like, going through the storage path, I got a USB plugged in down there, but unfortunately it won't allow you, and the USB card I got in there doesn't have enough memory, so I'm gonna have to get a bigger one. So it's not very good. I'm just playing it back through the screen. Unfortunately, these files don't want to play back on my computer. They're an MP4 and the Final Cut Pro doesn't recognize them. So I'm just showing you some clips here. I mean, I think overall the video quality is pretty decent. I don't think it captures sound because I can't seem to get any sound from it. So basically what I'm saying is, if you don't have a dash camera and you bought this AToTo stereo and you're thinking about getting a dash camera, it's not a bad idea, especially if you only have one vehicle, because obviously the camera is a fixed mount camera, and once it's installed it's basically stuck in there. But it does what it's supposed to do. It records video. There's not much else I can say. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.